Imagine walking into your home, and it instantly feels like a luxury designer space worth thousands of dollars. No renovation, no expensive furniture, just plants. But not just any plants. The truth is, some plants make your home look cheap and cluttered, while others create that clean, high-end, magazine-worthy aesthetic you see all over Pinterest. Today, I'm revealing 5 indoor plants that instantly make your home look expensive, and how to style them like a pro. If you want that rich, calm, luxury vibe without spending a fortune, this is exactly what you need. 1. Fiddle Leaf Fig, the statement queen. The Fiddle Leaf Fig is the definition of a luxury statement plant. The moment you place one in your home, everything changes. Its large, glossy leaves instantly draw attention and create that bold, designer look you often see in high-end interiors. What makes this plant so powerful is its ability to fill empty space with elegance. Instead of cluttering your room with decorations, one tall fiddle leaf fig in the corner can do all the work. It adds height, structure, and a sense of intention to your space. To make it look truly expensive, placement is everything. Position it in a bright corner with indirect sunlight, ideally near a window. Pair it with a minimalist pot. Think matte black, white ceramic, or textured stone. Avoid cheap plastic pots, as they instantly ruin the aesthetic. Another key detail? Keep the leaves clean. Dusty leaves make even the most beautiful plant look neglected. Wipe them gently with a damp cloth to maintain that glossy, polished look. When styled correctly, the fiddle leaf fig doesn't just sit in your home. It becomes the centerpiece. It tells people your space is curated, intentional, and effortlessly stylish. If you want one plant that delivers maximum impact with minimal effort, this is it. 2. Monstera Deliciosa, the Instagram icon. If you've ever scrolled through Pinterest or Instagram and thought, wow, that space looks expensive, chances are you've seen a Monstera Deliciosa. Its iconic split leaves create a bold, tropical look that feels both modern and luxurious. This plant is perfect for creating that effortlessly stylish vibe. It's not stiff or overly structured. Instead, it grows in a way that feels natural and organic, which is exactly what high-end interiors aim for. To elevate its look, don't let it grow randomly. Guide it upward using a moss pole or support stick. This simple trick transforms it from a casual houseplant into a designed feature piece. Placement also matters. A monstera looks incredible next to a sofa, in a reading corner, or even as a backdrop for your workspace. The key is giving it enough space to spread out so its unique leaves can shine. Lighting should be bright but indirect. Too much harsh sunlight can damage the leaves, while too little light will slow its growth and reduce that lush, full appearance. For that expensive look, go for a neutral-toned planter and keep the surrounding decor minimal. Let the plant be the star. The Monstera doesn't just decorate your space. It transforms it into something that feels curated, modern, and undeniably high-end. 3. Olive Tree, Mediterranean Elegance. If you want your home to feel calm, airy, and effortlessly luxurious, the olive tree is your secret weapon. Unlike bold, tropical plants, this one brings a soft, understated elegance that instantly elevates any space. Its slender branches and muted green leaves create a light, sophisticated look that pairs perfectly with neutral interiors. Think beige tones, linen fabrics, and warm sunlight streaming through your windows. This is the kind of plant that makes your home feel like a high-end Mediterranean villa. The beauty of the olive tree lies in its simplicity. It doesn't try too hard, and that's exactly why it feels expensive. It adds texture and life without overwhelming your decor. To style it properly, place it near a bright window where it can receive plenty of natural light. Use a simple, earthy planter. Terracotta, stone, or ceramic works beautifully. Avoid anything too shiny or flashy, as it takes away from the natural aesthetic. Spacing is also important. Give the tree room to breathe. This isn't a plant you want to crowd with other decorations. Let it stand on its own for maximum impact. When done right, The olive tree creates a space that feels peaceful, refined, and effortlessly stylish. The kind of environment that looks expensive without even trying. 4. Bird of Paradise, luxury resort vibes. If your goal is to make your home feel like a 5-star resort, the Bird of Paradise is the plant you need. Its large, dramatic leaves instantly create a bold and luxurious atmosphere that's impossible to ignore. This plant is all about scale and presence. It grows tall and wide, making it perfect for filling large spaces that would otherwise feel empty. Instead of adding multiple small decorations, one Bird of Paradise can completely transform the room. To achieve that high-end look, placement is key. Position it near a bright window where it can soak up plenty of sunlight. This plant thrives in light, and the healthier it looks, the more luxurious your space will feel. Pair it with a sleek, modern planter, something simple but substantial. The contrast between the bold leaves and a clean pot creates that designer aesthetic you often see in luxury interiors. Another tip: keep the area around it uncluttered. This plant needs space to shine. When surrounded by too many items, it loses its impact. The Bird of Paradise doesn't just decorate, it transforms your home into an experience. The moment someone walks in, it gives off that wow factor that instantly feels upscale and intentional. 5. Rubber plant, glossy and sophisticated. The rubber plant is perfect if you want a space that feels sleek, modern, and polished. Its thick, glossy leaves reflect light beautifully, giving your home a rich and refined look. What makes this plant special is its clean and structured appearance. Unlike more wild-growing plants, the rubber plant has a neat, upright form that fits perfectly into minimalist or contemporary interiors. To make it look expensive, keep everything simple. Use a neutral-colored pot and place it in a well-lit area with indirect sunlight. This helps maintain its deep, vibrant color and glossy finish. Consistency is key with this plant. Water it properly, avoid overwatering, and wipe the leaves occasionally to keep them shiny. That natural gloss is what gives it that luxury feel. It's also incredibly versatile. You can place it in a living room, bedroom, or even an office, and it will instantly elevate the space. The rubber plant proves that you don't need something huge or dramatic to create a high-end look. Sometimes simple, clean, and well-maintained is what truly feels expensive. So there you have it. 5 indoor plants that can instantly transform your home into a luxury space without spending a fortune. Remember, it's not just about the plant. It's how you style it, place it, and care for it. Keep things clean, minimal, and intentional, and your home will start to feel like it belongs in a design magazine. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which plant are you adding to your space first? And I'll see you in the next video.